model, 16-plate Ford Transit Connect 240L2 diesel 1.6 TDCi 115ps limited van spares OR repairs. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 167,725. MOT, 12 August 2024. Engine, 1560 cc 1.6 TDCi 115ps. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts on perfect easy start. Runs perfect on easy start. Needs high-pressure fuel pump replacing. Gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: 2 former keepers, parking sensors, air con, electric windows, 2 keys.